In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Wix for free. If you already have a domain registered with GoDaddy and you want to use it with your Wix website, this process is very straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost, and by the end, your domain will be entered into Wix and ready for the next part of the connection process. To begin, go to wix.com and sign into your account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, make sure you're looking at the correct website if you manage more than one. This is important because the domain needs to be connected to the specific site you want visitors to see when they type in your web address. After that, look over to the left-hand side of the dashboard and click on Setup. This area is where Wix guides you through the key steps for getting your site fully configured. If you're new to Wix, this section can also help you keep track of what still needs to be completed before your site is fully live. Inside the Setup section, find the option that says Connect a Custom Domain and click on it. A custom domain is simply the domain name you purchased separately, in this case through GoDaddy, instead of using a free Wix subdomain. Connecting your own domain helps your site look more professional and makes it easier for people to remember your web address. Next, you'll be asked to enter your domain. Paste your GoDaddy domain into the field provided. Take a second here to make sure the spelling is correct and that there are no extra spaces before or after the domain name. Even a small typo can cause the connection to fail or delay the setup, so it's worth checking carefully before moving on. Once your domain is entered, click Let's Go. This tells Wix to begin the domain connection process using the address you provided. From here, Wix will continue guiding you through what needs to happen next based on your domain provider and your site setup. As a quick tip, make sure you're using the exact domain you own in GoDaddy, and if your domain doesn't connect instantly, that can be normal. Domain changes sometimes take a little time to update across the internet, and that's it for this part of the process. You've now started connecting your GoDaddy domain to Wix for free by entering it directly into your Wix setup.